You'd be crazy not to pay attention to what Warren Buffett's doing as an investor. He is, after all, the most successful investor in the world. He's worth 140 billion. And right now, he's gone heavily in cash. He sold a big chunk, 2/3 of his Apple shares. Apple was his favorite company, his favorite fruit, his favorite thing that he talked about all the time. The brand that is so strong. He said it's in such a great place, but 2/3 of his shares in Apple have suddenly been sold. Does he feel that the brand is going to disappear, or perhaps it's not going to be as strong as it has been in the past? That certainly would be implied by the fact that he sold 2/3 of his shares. He's gone massively in cash and invested in short-term treasury bills. That's government bonds, but short-term ones. In other words, he thinks that interest rates are going to fall. He feels that there's going to be a recession, most likely. By what he sold into the banking stock as well. And again, when you're selling banking stock, you're expecting the economy to drop. So right now, Warren Buffett has got 329 billion in cash. If you had that much money in cash, what would you do with it? Well, for Warren Buffett, he's happy to be patient, and that's a great lesson for investors. Be patient, look for good opportunities. Right now, he feels that having money in fixed rates, fixed returns, is better than being in the market. Okay, for me as well, when I'm investing right now, I've got a percentage that's in structured products, fixed yield products, and then a percentage in the market. Okay, there's opportunities for sure coming up. But right now, Warren Buffett, what can we learn? He's out of Apple, he's out of many of the banks, he's reducing his stock holdings. He's sitting there in fixed rate looking for opportunities. Is he right? Okay, well, he usually is. Could take 3 months, 6 months, even a year. Okay, he's happy to be patient, but he feels at some point markets are gonna fall and there's gonna be an opportunity. When Warren Buffett is investing, you should always pay attention. What do you think? Should you do like Warren and take some fixed rates? I'm doing a webinar very shortly, 2 weeks time, about fixed rates. I'll put a link later on below this video. And if you want to listen to what the best fixed rates are right now, I'll give you that information totally free of charge.